Why do you think sellers of hard-boiled eggs smell salt around it? And have you ever wondered what the benefits are? My name is Alice, and on today's episode on Wonder Why, I'll be giving you 3 reasons why sellers of hard-boiled eggs smell salt around it. Welcome to Quickeyinfo, and on this channel we give you the whys and the facts. If you're new here, you might consider subscribing to our channel and turning on your post notification to get notified on our weekly videos. Do you know Ghana is the only country that sells hard-boiled eggs on the street, locally known as Kosiani Moko? It goes back to the early 2000s where eggs were more affordable and accessible. So what then is the benefit of smearing salt around eggs? 1. This is to prevent the hard-boiled egg from spoilage. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Food Safety and Inspection Service, hard-boiled eggs has the tendency of spoiling faster than raw eggs due to the loss of the outer protective coating during cooking, and as most must be consumed within a week. So smearing salt around hard-boiled eggs prevents the entry of moisture and bacteria, which causes spoilage. 2. Smearing salt around hard-boiled eggs make it easy to peel. It is said somewhere on the internet that smearing salt around the shells of hard-boiled eggs shrinks the egg white, making it easy to peel. Is this really true or not? Well, there's a little bit of science attached to this. Now to the third and final reason. Smearing salt around hard-boiled eggs makes it attractive. You'd all agree with me that smearing salt around hard-boiled eggs has a way of attracting buyers to the seller. Let me know in the comment section if salt smeared on eggs attracts you in any way. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.